Hey guys, it's Sean with the Brothers Workshop, and today I'm back with our 2017 GMC Sierra 1500. And I've noticed that our braking is getting a little soft. And when I went and checked under the hood, I realized I needed to add some fluid. So today I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that. But before I get into it, if you like this kind of stuff, if you get value out of it, hit that like button for me. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any more videos that we have about the 2014 to 2018 Chevy Silverados and GMC Sierras. We try to bring a lot of them to you guys. And in fact, at the end here, we're going to have a playlist of all the videos we've done in the past if you're interested. All right, guys, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open the hood. Let me show you how to do that. Obviously, you guys probably already know how to do this, but you just come in here, go up under here, grab that hood release, open her up. All right, guys, underneath this hood, there's so much room to work, and you guys might even get lost, like thinking to yourself, where is the reservoir for the brake fluid? Well, it's actually on the driver's side, and it's right here. That little guy is where you're going to put the brake fluid, and it requires DOT3. In fact, the label is right on top, so you don't mess it up. It's pretty easy, guys, very straightforward. All we're going to do is open that up, add it in, because my brakes are getting a little soft, and I'm a little worried about that, because if you don't know, there's an active recall for low-speed braking. I'm going to link all that information in the description below if you're interested, as well as a link to this type of brake fluid if you guys need to get some. But as you can see, I do need to add some because it's at the minimum level. I'm hoping this takes care of the issue and that it's not something greater, because this vehicle had all the recalls taken care of, including that low-speed braking issue prior to when I purchased it. And I did my due diligence, and I've already checked, and yes, it was taken care of. There is a warranty. I just don't want to deal with the hassle of having to go back to the dealership. So we're going to cross our T's and dot our I's and make sure that this isn't the issue. But that's not the point of this video today. The point of the video is just to show you where the master cylinder, aka the brake fluid reservoir, is located on this truck and how to fill it up. Let's get into it. All right, guys, that was super simple. I hope you learned something. If you did, hit that like button for me. Hey, while you're at it, subscribe to the channel because we have a lot of videos just like this one. In fact, I've linked the playlist right here for you guys. So go ahead, click that playlist. You're not going to want to miss out on any of the videos we have. Hey, and you might even learn something. So go ahead, click it. Click the playlist, guys. What are you waiting for? It's right here.